First, let's dive into Perplexity AI. It's like a smarter Google for research. Instead of random links, it provides direct answers. Use it for research assignments and summarizing articles. You can also compare products and generate quick reports. This tool saves hours of manual searching and fact-checking. Next up is Claude AI. This tool enhances your writing and productivity. It's perfect for long-form content and improving emails. Claude helps create scripts and organize messy notes too. Students, freelancers, and creators will love this one. Finally, let's talk about ChatGPT with custom workflows. This tool helps create structured prompts for AI tasks. Transform a content idea into a script or thumbnail. It turns AI into a productivity system, not just a chatbot. Remember, AI tools are here to save time, not replace you. You've learned how to utilize these 3 tools today. Start implementing them to work smarter in 2026. If you want more AI workflow tutorials, subscribe now.